Hey everyone! Welcome back to How To, where we dive into intriguing topics that make you go, Today, we're delving into the colorful world of why girls seem to have a special affinity for pink. It's a question that's piqued many minds, and we're here to explore it together. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. Evolutionary perspective. Let's kick things off with a bit of science. Some theories suggest that girls' preference for pink could have an evolutionary basis. We'll explore how our ancestors might have influenced our perception of colors and why pink could have become associated with femininity. Cultural influences. Cultural influences play a huge role in shaping our preferences. We'll take a closer look at how societies around the world have contributed to the association of pink with femininity, and whether these cultural norms still impact our choices today. Psychological impact of pink. Pink isn't just a color, it's a mood. We'll delve into the psychological impact of pink and how it's often linked to feelings of warmth, compassion, and comfort. Could these emotional connections be one of the reasons why girls gravitate towards this hue? Marketing and gender stereotypes. Let's talk about the influence of marketing and how gender stereotypes might have played a role in associating pink with girls. From toys to clothing, we'll explore how these stereotypes have shaped our perception of the color. Personal preferences. At the end of the day, personal preferences vary. Not every girl loves pink, and that's perfectly okay. We'll highlight the importance of individual choice and breaking free from societal expectations when it comes to color preferences. And there you have it, the colorful exploration into why girls often have a fondness for pink. If you enjoyed this journey into the psychology and culture of color, give this video a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more thought-provoking content. Until next time, stay colorful. Thanks for joining us on How To. Remember, it's not about the color, it's about celebrating individuality and choice. Subscribe, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next video.